So in this video we will see how you can create a activity indicator. Activity indicator is basically a loader in real life scenarios. In whenever you use an app and you press something or swipe up and down, you obviously see a loader or activity indicator. It means that the server is trying to fetch data from the backend, and in the meantime they are showing you the loader so that you can come to know that the process is going on, and after few seconds you get your data. So just like that, we will create an app in which we will be creating a text input in which user will enter their name, and when we press button, activity indicator will be shown for 3 seconds, and after 3 seconds we will get our alert. So just open a React Native project and open it in Visual Studio Code. I already opened the iOS simulator. If you are using Windows machine, then you can open Android simulator. Okay, so let me just clear this terminal. Okay, so first of all, let me just import text input. Placeholder, enter your name, and change text. When a user start typing it, the text whichever user inputs will be saving this in name state. Let us first of all create that state. By default it will be in empty string. Let us also create a state for the activity indicator for the boolean value to turn it on and off. Let me just name it show. By default it will be turn off, so it will be false. Let me give some styling to text input. Let's say background color yellow, padding will be 20. Let me just save it. So here is our text input. Now let me just import activity indicator. Let me just show you guys how it will look. The first prop that we can provide is size. We can provide either large or small. Let me provide large. We can also provide color. Let's say red. Okay, so let me just save it. As you can see, let me provide margin bottom. It also has one more props. It calls animating. By default it will be true, animating means whether it should be visible or not. If it's true, then it's visible, and if I write false, then it disappears. Okay, so now let us create a button. Title of the button will be show. On press event, we will be creating a function. Let's say click me. Now let us create that function. Const click me. So first of all, let us use this show state in animating. By default it will be false. So when user click on the button, we will change show state to true, so then user can see the indicator. Now the indicator will stay on the screen for 3 seconds, and for that I'll be using set timeout. Here we can provide the number of seconds, let's say 3000 milliseconds. It's in milliseconds. So whatever I write in this function set timeout, uh, it will get called after 3 seconds. So after 3 seconds, I want show state to be false. Let us write alert. Welcome to our app. Let us also console the name that user enters. Let me just save it. So here I have applied show state to animating, and by default it's false. So when I click on show, it should set this show state to true. Then after 3 seconds, it will pop an alert and the print name on the console. So let me just write my name. Let me just click. As you can see, the indicator is on. After 3 seconds, it appears welcome to our app, and it also write the name on the console. Let me just save it to, let's say, 2 seconds. And Tony, as you can see, and 21. So basically this is how you can use loader or activity indicator in your app. In our future videos, we will learn how to fetch the data from the API, and in there we will use this activity indicator. So in the meantime, when we are fetching the data from the API, we show this activity indicator to the users. So thanks for watching.